Pleasant good morning out of Zurich. It's 04:29 a.m. in the morning. If it's your first time on my channel, don't forget to comment, share, like, and if you are interested in this and you like the content, subscribe. Thank you all my first time visitors on this channel, and I bless all those who have been patiently waiting to hear again from me. You see in this video that's a warning for heavy rain in Aruba, Bonaire and Curaçao. All this rainfall is down there, and the weather doesn't look pretty nice on the island, and the people are suffering again because the homes are flooded, the cars are sinking, the boats are swimming, and the plane can't land. That is what's going on in Aruba down there. So if you're planning on traveling in this time, please always check TripAdvisor to know where and how and when. And like one woman would say it, I never knew that it rained in Aruba. You never know where rain falls. You never know where the dryness is. Just check around and you see, because now they are back again with homes over flooded with water. And as you can see in the picture here. No, I said good morning to those who are getting up. Good night to those who are about to go to bed. Good afternoon too to those who are already getting out to the midday. This morning I just thank God that I am alive, and I pray that each and every one of us will also feel the presence of God in our midst. So, grace and peace to you from God our Father and the Lord Jesus Christ. I know many of you don't want to hear that this morning, but that's what we stand for. And we gotta worship the Lord in the beauty of His holiness. You see, the plane can't land because it has to be going around to see where it could set down. Normally, rain from January to late August, September, and now it's October, and the rain is on its bed, lying down, and people do not know where to sleep. You woke up this morning and you're still alive. There are those in other countries or on the street fighting for survival, those who have no place to lay their heads tonight, and those who are on the rampage to go out there and destroy life. Look at all that is going on around us, and tell God that you are thankful. Thankful. Our prayers are with the people in Aruba at this moment, and we hope that and pray that they get the help that is needed in this time when all of this is going on.
Oh my God, in hospital.
You see in the picture, you see that the water main is broken and the water is getting into
Oh
the
my
building.
God.
You can see that people are putting things up, the cars are sinking, and all that is going on down in Aruba. It's not something we can laugh about or say, because people's lives are in danger. People's possessions are being washed away or drenched with water. So therefore, we have to be grateful where we are, in what situation we are, when we're alive, because you never know the and every one of us. Walk in peace, my friend. Shalom.